delay. At a high speed, it actually quiets down. Like I was doing some training earlier today, I was on the freeway and I couldn't hear it at all.
Maybe because you had it in the load. I pull that valve cover